Welcome to the next video about the construction of a diorama based on TrainStation 2 game. Don't forget to follow us so you don't miss anything. In this episode, we used acrylic paints to color the landscape. The colors were hand-mixed and applied to the surface. Now we have painted the rocks and the desert. It looks nice, doesn't it? We use putty for the water in the diorama because it creates a realistic water texture. Then the paint was applied and the surface was repainted with epoxy. Let's have a look at the electrics. That part was interesting too. We installed the cables to each digital turnout and to the individual components, and of course to the control panel that's supposed to coordinate them. We have the basis for the electrics ready, but the correct wiring will be verified by the first test ride on the train. If you are wondering, wait a little longer for the next video. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the rails. We surrounded them with gravel that was treated and covered with dispersion glue diluted with water. In the last phase, we turned our attention to the grass. We used a brown glue in the same color as the ground and poured the grass on top of that. We shot the individual blades of grass through an anti-static flocking machine. Finally, we varnished the grass with lacquer. We're done! We have finished the basic surface of the train diorama. Don't forget to follow us and see how we build the diorama step by step according to the game TrainStation 2.